Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see if we can hide comments Instagram PC. We start by opening our Instagram account in the browser. Next, we enter the More option and then Settings. After that, we search and click on the Comments option. Here we will see that we can choose different settings depending on where we want to allow comments from our followers or not. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If what you want is to configure the comments in a new publication that you create, when you are going to publish, go to the last window and there click on Advanced Settings. Here you will see that you can turn off comments and prevent them from making comments on that publication. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.